This one is going to be a very short video. We will talk about ternary operator in this video. If you haven't yet subscribed to my channel, please do so to get notifications for new content. So what is ternary operator? If we have a logic with only if and else, like age greater than 18, category is adult, else category is not adult. In such cases, we can use ternary operator. In C-based languages, we can write ternary operator like category equal to age greater than 18. This is a question mark, and if yes, then it's going to be adult. If no, then it's going to be not adult. So the condition is specified before the question mark. If the condition is true, then the value before the colon is assigned to the variable. If it's false, then the value after the colon is assigned. In Python, it's even simpler. We can write it like plain English. Category equals adult if age greater than 18, else not adult. That's really expressive. That's the beauty of Python. It's clear and very much like plain English. And as I said, this is a very short video. If you have any questions, post it in the comment section below, and I'll see you in the next video.